Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Gypsy Rose store. We're in the process of finishing up 2 more bags from that 30-pound Goodwill box unboxing. I believe this makes video number 6. So, 6 or 7. That's where we're at right now. Want to wish everyone a happy Easter, and hope you're having a wonderful day today. Let's get started. We only have 2 more bags left. This is bag 1 of 2 remaining. Oh man, these are pretty. Oh my, that's just beautiful. Hi everyone, look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Beautiful black, hematite colored seed beads. Very pretty. All in this beautiful knot. And y'all know how I love turquoise. Look how pretty this seed bead set is with the shell pendant. Multiple strands of seed beads. It's a lot of work that went into this necklace. It even has an interesting toggle. They actually beaded it and used a shell bead for the toggle. Very pretty. Continuing with the beachy scene, we also have this beautiful shell pendant, natural shells. These are all natural stones in this one. Beautiful toggle again they did with the beads themselves. This is simply beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Imagine that this summer with this really beautiful white tank top. You would be stunning. Gorgeous. Next we have this beautiful black, looks like a faux onyx. I don't know if it's silver or not, but I'll check it. It's not sticking, y'all. It appears to be silver plated. I don't see any stamping on it. I don't see a designer name either. Very pretty. Definitely a statement piece. It has the beautiful silver beads for the end and extended chain. Very nice, very pretty. Next we have a beautiful faux pearl set. Beautiful color beads. Look at all the colors in here. Red, green, blue, gold, amber, champagne. Very pretty, multiple strands of pearls. And these, I'd have to check these, but these look like real pearls, the real seed pearls. Very pretty. You even have amethyst color in here. Very pretty. Next we have this really interesting piece. This is real tiger eye. And this appears to be set in genuine silver. Oh, yep. Hey guys, look, it's stamped 925. Needs a good cleaning. But that is genuine tiger eye. Appears to be garnet and citrine as well. Very pretty. Look how shiny that is. Yeah, it's not sticking at all. Next we have a really pretty little black set of seed beads. These appear to be made out of wood. So these are wooden black seed bead multi-strand choker necklace. Very pretty. And next we have a beautiful, continuing on with the shells, this beautiful shell pendant necklace made out of glass and wood beads. Here again they used a beautiful closing on it. They incorporated the beads and actually a shell bead to make this awesome necklace. Isn't it pretty? Beautiful colors. Now this set appears to be acrylic. Is very lightweight, very lightweight. Double strand. teardrop pendant, plastic acrylic beads. And this is rather kind of weighty. Has a nice set of chain to it. I'm assuming these are faux pearl, but I'd have to check those just to be sure. Definitely has a nice weight to this necklace. 3-tier multi-strand. Pearls that are offset. They call them the floating pearl necklace. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is, you guys. I love things that like baubles and jewels. Look how pretty these are. All these different beads on them. Acrylic and metal. Very cute style bracelet, Tiffany style bracelet. Very pretty. Here's a pretty little enamel pair of earrings. Is this silver or not? No, but very. Oh, hey, wait, these are stamped. Hold on. This says it looks like it says BEREBI. I'll have to look at those. Very pretty. These are designer style earrings. Very pretty. Black enamel. I'll have to check these, see what that name says. Next we have a gunmetal set of hoop earrings. Very pretty. I might put that in with this pearl set. Matches perfect with the metals. Definitely not silver there. Next we have, these are kind of Star Trek looking. I don't know about y'all, but doesn't that look like a Star Trek symbol that I've seen over the years? And I'm old school, but definitely cute. Black metal. They're not sticking on the wires. These may even be artisan, I'm not sure. Very pretty. Next we have some cute glass bead earrings. This is the drop style with the 3 beads. Very pretty. We have some cute button style faux pearl earrings. Just looking at the backing, these look rather old. These might even be vintage. Look at the scroll work on the back of the earring. Very pretty. Oh, we just got confirmation on these earrings. They are called, let me get this correct, Berebi earrings, B-E-R-E-B-I. So these are really very pretty. Definitely designer-inspired earrings. Next we have this cute little ring. Oh my goodness, it's a perfect pinky ring. I got it right next to my ruby. Isn't that beautiful? These would be great to stack up with maybe some of your other rings. Very pretty. Oh, this is interesting. This one is stamped 925. Yep, that's set in silver. That appears to be a druzy style pendant. You can kind of see through it almost. Very pretty. I love the colors in that. Purple and blue. Very pretty. Oh, here we go, y'all. This is a brand new necklace. Still has a tag on it. And that's by Leah Sophia. Look how long this is. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Look how long that is. Very pretty. Acrylic beads, some glass beads. silver tone setting, geometric design shapes and beads. Probably about 36 to 40 inches long. Very pretty. Next we have a little choker, black gunmetal choker necklace. This appears to be the last one in that bag. And great for just everyday wear. Very lightweight. Silver plated, I guess. It's a gunmetal plaque. Very nice. Well, I want to thank you guys for showing up today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to share, like, and subscribe so we can notify you on future videos as they're released. Be sure to check back with us, and thank you for visiting the Gypsy Rose Store. Have a great day.